Weebo,
Yes, sir?
take a picture.
Okay, look this way. Smile!
Weebo,
Professor!
it's amazing.
Excuse me.
It's miraculous.
Professor! It's gone.
It is. No. Oh.
Professor, I think you gave it a little too much free will. Oh,
There's not a darn thing to be afraid of, pal. How can anything get in your window? It's closed, okay?
Whoa, Weebo! I got it!
great. Now what are you going to do with it?
Oh, it has incredible inertia.
Maybe it's just glad to see you.
Weebo,
Yes.
oh, do you know what this is?
Flying rubber?
Yes, that's what it is. It's flying rubber. It's Flubber!